Speaker. As I just want to also to contribute on the motion that the Honorable Member has brought here in front of us, in front of the House. And indeed, I just want to pass my condolence to the family of the young people who lost their lives there in solidarity in keeping peace for this country. And indeed, it's very painful because in most cases, the people that you will find being the victims of such attacks that happens at the young people, but also the people who have just joined the service, maybe not even more than 1 year. And I think it's very also high time that as a ministry, they must also have to give guidance that before they send our young people in those hostile areas, they have also to check on the experience and on how they can handle such a matter. Going to the point, it is also very high. This is because you have not been having such kind of attacks from the Al-Shabaab, but it's only recently when there was opening up, the discussion of opening up of the border between Kenya and Somali, that we have started again receiving such kind of attacks in this country. And I think this is the highest moment that even before the government takes the full charge in terms of opening the boundary between Kenya and Somali, to start considering whether it is right for the country to open up the boundary between Kenya and Somali. And I think if this one persists, it's very high that we have to close that boundary between Kenya and Somali, so that we can protect this country until that time when Somali will start experiencing independence and having peace. But unless, if it's not happening like that, we must compel the government to rethink about their decision. Thank you, Speaker.
The Honorable Geoffrey Ruku.